Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about physical interpretations of quantum numbers and the exclusion principles. Now we have know about quantum numbers. Quantum number basically are the address of an electrons, where electrons are exist in an atom. This is our lecture number 21. And this is physical interpretation of quantum numbers and the exclusion principles. Let's go our topics. Our topics is physical interpretation of quantum numbers, exclusion principles, and periodic tables and its related problems. Now, as we know, the principal quantum numbers n in Bohr atoms we have already discussed in the quantization of radius of n atoms and Bohr atomic models, and also we have already discussed energy of an atom and a Bohr atomic models, in which we see energy is also inversely proportional to the n, and also we already see that the Bohr radius is also proportional to n squares. That's n which involved in equation of the energy and in radius. That is a principal quantum numbers. We have four quantum numbers. One is the principal quantum numbers, other is the orbital quantum numbers, that is represented by L. Third one is the magnetic quantum number, that is denoted by ML, and fourth one is the spin quantum numbers, that is denoted by MS. No, first principle for quantum numbers, which is called the principal quantum numbers, we have already discussed that have physical significance of the energy. Now we have and others three quantum numbers in details. As we know that Bohr's model of an atom's electrons move in a circle of radius r, and its angular momentum relative to the center of circle is L is equal to mvr. हम ये जानते हैं ये जो है this is the Bohr's postulates, in which we have already discussed that mvr is equal to nh cut. This is also known as the angular momentum. ये क्या कहलाता है हमारा एंगुलर मोमेंटम कहलाता है. Of the direction of this perpendicular to the plane of the circle and given by right hand rules. तो इस एंगुलर मोमेंटम की जो डायरेक्शंस है ये हम राइट हैंड रूल से मालूम कर सकते हैं. क्लासिकल फिजिक्स मैग्नीट्यूड एल ऑफ द ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम कैन हैव एनी वैल्यू. हम इसकी जो मैग्नीट्यूड होती है वो एम वी आर, अगर हमारे पास रेडियस दिया हुआ है, वेलोसिटी दिया हुआ है, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन दिया हुआ है, तो हम एल की वैल्यू मालूम कर सकते हैं. The Bohr model of hydrogen, however, postulates that the magnitude of angular momentum of an electron is restricted to multiple of nh cut. जब बोर ने हमें ये भी बताया था कि जब मैग्नीट्यूड होती है एंगुलर मोमेंटम की वो एन एच कट के बराबर होती है. अगर हमारे पास एच कट दिया हुआ है तो हमारे पास एन दिया हुआ है, दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर. ये एन अगर दिया हुआ तो हम एल की वैल्यू फिलअप कर सकते हैं. एच कट इज आल्सो कांस्टेंट. दिस मॉडल मस्ट बी मॉडिफाइड बिकॉज इट्स प्रिडिक्ट and correctly that the ground state of hydrogen has one unit of angular momentum. Furthermore, if L is taken to be zero in the Bohr model, the electron must be pictured as a particle oscillating along a straight line through the nucleus, which is a physical unacceptable situation. These difficulties are resolved with the quantum mechanical model of an atom. Although we must give up the convenient mental representations of an electron orbiting in a well-defined circular path. Despite the absence of these representations, the atom does indeed possesses an angular momentum, and this is still called orbital angular momentums. According to quantum mechanics, in an atom in a state whose principal quantum number is n can taken on the following discrete values. of magnitude of orbital angular momentums. तो ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम से एंगुलर मैग्नीट्यूड और ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम एल की वैल्यू हम मालूम कर सकते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो इक्वल टू एल इंटू एल प्लस वन इंटू एच का अंडर रूट। अगर हमें एन की वैल्यू दी हुई हो, एल की वैल्यू दी हुई हो, तो हम एल की वैल्यू मालूम कर सकते हैं। कुछ भी हो सकती है, एन की वैल्यू है 1 2 3 इंटू एन माइनस वन। अगर एन हमें दिया हुआ हो, अगर एन दिया हुआ है तो हम एल मालूम कर सकते हैं। एल की वैल्यू इसमें पुट करने से हमारे पास एल की वैल्यू आ जा सकती है। दीज आर नोन एज द allowed values of n. Given these values, then allowed value of L, we see that L is equal to 0. L 0 कब है? जब L की वैल्यू 0 है। ये स्मॉल L अगर 0 होगा तो कैपिटल ये एंगुलर मोमेंटम भी 0 हो जाएगा। एज एन एक्सेप्टेबल वैल्यू ऑफ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द एंगुलर मोमेंटम, that L can be 0 in this model serve to point out that the inherent difficulties in any attempt to describe results based on quantum mechanics in terms of a purely particle-like classical models. And the quantum mechanical representations, the electron cloud for the L is equal to 0 state is spherically symmetric and has no fundamental rotation axis. It means जब angular momentum 0 होगा तो कोई भी rotation इसमें नहीं होगी। तो इट मीन्स जो ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम है वो हमें शेप के बारे में बताता है कि ऑर्बिट की या एटम की शेप कैसी है, और उसके बाद एनर्जी के बारे में हमें बताता है। अब नेक्स्ट आता है हमें ऑर्बिटल मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर्स एम एल। ऑर्बिटल मैग्नेटिक क्वांटम नंबर को हम एम एल से दर्ज करते हैं। ये मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट ऑफ एन एटम कैन बी रिलेटेड टू एंगुलर मोमेंटम वेक्टर। मैग्नेटिक जो मूवमेंट है उसको हम एंगुलर मोमेंटम वेक्टर से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, उसको वहाँ से ज़ाहिर कर सकते हैं। तो डिस्क्रीट डायरेक्शंस आफ्टर ट्रांसलेट टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ बीइंग क्वांटाइज्ड। This quantization it means this is a quantized value, discrete value, quantized value. That means n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and up to n. This quantization means that Lz, z component of Lz projection of along z can have any discrete value. तो उसकी कुछ खास discrete value होगी। Orbital magnetic quantum numbers m specify the allowed value of the z component of orbital angular momentum equal to expression Lz is equal to ml h cut. ml h cut, this is the z component of orbital magnetic quantum numbers. These are known as the allowed value of Lz. The quantization of the possible orientations of L with respect to an external magnetic field is often referred to as space quantization. This is known as the space quantizations. Let's look at the possible orientation of L for a given value of L. Recall that ML can have value ranging from L to -1. एम एल की जो वैल्यू होगी वो 1 से -1 के दरमियान पड़ जाएगी। एफ एल की वैल्यू अगर हम स्मॉल एल की वैल्यू जो 0 के बराबर हो तो एम एल भी 0 होगा और एल जेड भी 0 होगा। क्योंकि ये वैल्यू एम एल की ये 0 हो जाएगी तो एल जेड भी 0 होगा। दैट इज द जेड कंपोनेंट्स। If L is equal to 1, the possible value of ML are 1, 0 and -1. So LZ may be minus h cut 0 or h cut. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम 0 पुट करेंगे तो LZ भी 0 हो जाएगा, अगर 1 पुट करेंगे तो h cut प्लस होगा, -1 पुट करेंगे तो माइनस h cut होगा। If L is equal to 2, then ML will be -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 corresponding to LZ. Value of -2 h cut, -h cut, 0 plus h cut, 2 h cut and so on. These are known as the quantum magnetic quantum numbers. That's fourth one is spin magnetic quantum numbers. This is known as the ms. Spin is a form of angular momentum. It must follow the same quantum rule as orbital angular momentum. Magnitude of spin angular momentum for electron is s into s plus 1 h cut under root. Magnitude of spin angular momentum of electron like orbital angular momentum L, spin angular momentum S exhibits space quantizations. It can have two orientations relative to a z-axis specified by the spin magnetic quantum numbers. Ms is equal to plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. The z component of spin angular momentum is as z is equal to m s h cut plus minus 1 by 2 h cut all allowed states of as z. This is the table 42.3 quantum numbers for n is equal to 2 state of hydrogen. N is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0, MS is equal to 1 by 2. These are the subshells 2s, L, 2, number of states and subshells. This is also number of states and subshell. This value is 6. This is also L. This is 2p. This is L and N is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, ML is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. Next is the experience principles. This is also known as the Pauli experience principle. We have found that the states of hydrogen atom is specified by four quantum numbers n, l, m, and ms. As it turns out, the number of states available to other atoms may also be predicted by this same set of quantum numbers. In fact, these four quantum numbers can be used to describe all the electronic state of an atom regardless of the number of electrons in its structure. For our discussion of atoms with many electrons, it's often easiest to assign the quantum numbers to the electron in the atom as opposed to the entire atoms. An obvious question that arises here is how many electrons can be in particular quantum states. Pauli answered this important question in 1925 in a statement known as the exclusion principle. No two electrons can never be in the same quantum states. Therefore, no two electrons in the same atom can have the same set of quantum numbers. We have 42.4 allowed quantum states for an atom up to n is equal to 3. N is equal to 1, 2 and 3. These are the subshell L, orbital ML and this is the spin MS. Spin quantum numbers 1, 0, 0, ups and down and 0, 0 and so on. This is also 1, this is also 0, 0, 1 and so on. Subshell L. So this is 3, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 0 and so on. I hope you understand it. Allah Hafiz.